This is a 2006 Toyota RAV4, and we're going to remove the AC compressor clutch. So first we're going to use an Allen to remove these 4 bolts so we can remove the cover.
Se aprieta.
Now we're going to use an 8mm to remove this bolt, and from there we can spin the cover off and remove it. So a lot of times what goes bad on these is the bearing inside. That piece with the blue on it. Now we have to remove the C-clamp, and we get our C-clamp tool in order to get it removed.